a student whose parents are gone for the weekend. Does this happen?
I might have heard of this, yeah.
Okay, so this happened
I've
when
never
I was in
been
high
there
school.
personally.
And when it happened when I was in high school, I would find that generally the parties were fun, interesting. Sometimes they were boring. And so what you want to do if it gets boring is try doing this demonstration of what I've said. It's called getting the Franklin. You need a couple of bottles, which probably won't be hard to find at a party.
Sold a soda.
And put some water in them, or just use whatever beverage happens to be in them already. And then you need a Franklin. Do you know what a Franklin is? Yeah. This is Southern breed. Everyone knows what Franklins are. Okay, so you don't want to use a Washington or a Lincoln or a Hamilton or a Jackson. You want to use a Franklin. Why? Why would you use anything else but a Franklin? All right.
It's cotton.
So what you want to do is cover up the one and then flip it over so that it's on top of the other. Now, I'm going to rotate this around a little bit. I've done two things to hopefully make this successful. Did you notice the two things I did?
You went with dollar bill.
I lubed the Franklin.
You said it.
I got the Franklin wet because, you know what? If I'm going to make a demonstration of inertial work, I better make sure that the net force is minimized. So I'm minimizing the net force by making this, by lubricating that, by reducing the friction. I did something else. What was it?
Yes, so you kind of cupping the Franklin against the water bottle.
Not really. It was really obvious what I did. Yes, sir.
Well, you have a lot of Franklin laying out, right? It's not in the middle.
Yeah, that's still not.
The center of the gravity. The center.
The
Center
small
mass.
bottles on top.
Okay, this is being videoed, so I got to move this along. I put water in them. Okay, isn't this about inertia? And so, if you want things to resist changes in motion, make the inertia as big as possible.
More mass.
More mass, okay? So, see the bullets in brown up there? Demonstrating the law of inertia works best when the inertia is maximized. I put water in there. Net force is minimized, and so I've lubricated the $100 bill. And also when the net force acts for a short period of time. So I'm not going to gradually pull this out, right? I'm going to snap it out. So that net force that has to be there will be as small as possible. And since this is being videoed, I really want it to work. It doesn't always work, but it has every time today. And now the question that always gets asked at this point is,
Can I have the water bill?
what?
Is it a real Franklin?
You got cheap.
How do you get the water out?
How do you get the water?